Useful short English phrases. That's too bad. Napakasama naman yan. That's too many. Napakarami naman yan. That's too much. Sobra na yan. They'll be right back. Babalik lang sila. They're the same. Pareho sila. They're here for you. Nandito sila para sa'yo. This isn't working. Hindi ito gumagana. This is very difficult. Napakahirap nito. This is very important. Napakahalaga nito. We like it very much. Nagustuhan namin iyon ng sobra. Your things are here. Nandito ang mga gamit mo. It's working. Gumagana na. He always does that for me. Lagi niya iyong ginagawa sa akin. He broke the window. Sinira niya ang bintana. She doesn't look like a girl. Hindi siya mukhang babae. He never gives me anything. Hindi niya ako binibigyan ng kahit ano. This is a nice place. Magandang lugar ito. I'm faster than you. Mas mabilis ako kaysa sayo. Your room is very small. Napakaliit ng kwarto mo. How are your parents? Kumusta ang mga magulang mo? How do I use this? Paano ko ito magagamit? I'd like to meet him. Gusto ko siyang makilala. I'd like to talk to you. Gusto kitang makausap. I have enough money. Mayroon akong sapat na pera. I haven't had lunch yet. Hindi pa ako nagtanghalian. I have to go now. Kailangan ko nang umalis. I'll talk to you soon. Kakausapin kita agad. I'll talk to you later. Kakausapin kita mamaya. I made a mistake. Nagkamali ako. I'm bored. Nababagot ako. I need it right now. Kailangan ko iyon ngayon din. I've never done this before. Hindi ko pa ito nagawa dati. I've worked there for 5 years. Nagtrabaho ako doon ng 5 taon. I want to buy something. May gusto akong bilhin. I want to show you something. May gusto akong ipakita sa'yo. My car isn't working. Hindi umaandar ang sasakyan ko. Nobody is helping me. Walang tumutulong sa akin. Open the door. Buksan mo ang pinto. I'm sure this is yours. Sigurado akong sayo ito. Pick up your dirts. Damputin mo ang basura mo. Please count this for me. Pakibilang nito para sa akin. Please wait for me. Hintayin mo ako. She's going with me tomorrow. Sasama siya sa akin bukas. Something is coming. May paparating. Take me downtown. Dalhin mo ako sa bayan. That looks old. Mukhang matanda na iyan. That's not enough. Hindi iyan sapat. They're waiting for us. Naghihintay na sila sa atin. This room is a mess. Ang kalat ng kwarto. When would you like to meet? Kailan mo gusto makipagkita? Would you take it? Kukunin mo ba? This is the last one. Ito na ang huli.